here in Australia, big Galapagos tortoises. The oldest one in captivity is 190 years old now. His name's Jonathan. So if you want a pet turtle, guys, it's a pretty long-term investment. You'll probably have that turtle for your whole life as well. And there's really something interesting about a turtle shell. I've got a little turtle shell here. What do you guys think this is made out of? Plastic. Not plastic. It's a real one, this one. Any other guesses of what it might be made out of? You're the adults. So the outside layer, or the carapace, that is made out of keratin. So the same thing that our hair and our fingernails are made out of, and that does actually shed. So when it gets a little bit like dirty or maybe a little bit broken or something like that, they can shed that outer skin. And then this part is actually made of bone. So you can see inside here, they've also got their spine that's kind of fused to their shell. So the cartoons have lied to you. You can't pop a turtle out of its shell, unfortunately. And it's just like us. If they break their shell, it'd be like us if we broke our arm or a leg or something like that. They need to come into care, and it actually is quite painful for them, and it needs time to